Hi, this is Leetcode question, minimum cost to make all characters equal. This is the third question of weekly contest number 347. To solve this question, we need to convert the character in the string, all the characters, to either 0 or to 1. So we will find the minimum cost for both solutions, and at the end we return the minimum. Let's start with converting the values to 1 in this method. To do that, first of all, we divide the array or the string into two halves, and we will create every half using different operation. So first half will use first operations, the second half will use the second operations. And the reason for that, for example, we want to convert this 0 into 1. It will cost less if we convert it using the first operation. It will cost 1, while if we use the second operation, it will cost the length of the array, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1 is less than 6. So in general, it's better to handle the first half using the first operation and the second half using the second operation. Now, as we said, we want to convert the characters into 1. So we start from this index, which is the last index of the first half, and we will iterate until the index 0. We look for the value 0. So ch is 0. Because we want to convert 0 into 1, we look for the value 0. So here the value equals 0, and this value is at index 0, 1, 2. So I equal 2. In this case, we use the first operation as we said. So the cost will be 2 plus 1, which is 3. So sum equal 3. Sum is the cost. You can rename it to cost. And because after we use the first operation, we flip this part. So this part is become 1, 0, 1, and the cost now is 3. Now instead of looking for 0, we want to look for 1. Why we are doing this? Because as we said here, this value is 0, and we wanted all the characters to be 1. And so now, instead of looking for 0, we look for 1, because 1 is now 0, and we want to convert it to 1. And what we do is ch, we can flip it here if it's 0. So we start with 0, then we find this 0, we add the cost, and we flip this ch. So ch now is 1. Now we search for 1. 1 is here at index I equal 1. So we add 1 plus 1 equal 2 to the cost. So 3 plus 2 is 5, because we use the second or the first operation. Now ch is 1, we flip it again, 1 becomes 0. We look for 0, this is 0, the cost for this is 1. So at the end, 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 operations required to convert this half. Now we will use the second operation in the second half, and we start from this index here, and again we start from ch equals c, which is the original one, 0. So we search for the value 0 here. Is this is 0? No. So we move to the next character. This is 0, and this is at index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we use this equation for the cost, which is n minus I. N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 4 equal 2, which is the length of this, just 2 characters. So the cost, we add this to the cost. So the cost becomes 8. And this is 0. We flip it now to 1. So ch now 1. We look for 1. This is 1. It's at index 5. And the cost for this using the second operation is 1. We add it to the answer. So 8 plus 1 equal 9. And this is 9. The cost to move all the characters to 1. Now let's find the solution if we want to move all the characters to 0 using this method. So the string is 0 1 0 1 0 1. This is the first half and this is the second half. We start from this index, ch initially 1, because we are going to convert to 0, so we are looking for 1. This is 1, no. This is 1, yes. The cost for this is 2. Now we flip ch, was originally 1, now it's 0 here. We look for 0. Is this 0? Yes, so we add this to the cost, so the cost is 3. Now let's move to the second half. Start from this and we are looking for 1. The cost for this is 3, so 3 plus 3 plus, now again here we started with 1, now we flip it to 0, ch is 0, this is 0, and this is the cost is 2, so plus 2. Now we flip this, become 1. Is this 1? Yes, so plus 1. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 2 8, plus 1 is 9. This is 9, so the final answer will be 9. Now if you take another example like 0 0 1 1, let's convert everything to 1. So ch equals 0. This is the first half. We start with this, we are looking for 0. This is 0, so 0 1, the cost is 2 plus this, so we flip this to 1. This is 0, so 2 for the left side. Let's do the right side. Start from here and we look for 0. This is not 0 and this is not 0, so the final answer will be 2 for converting to 1. Now if we want to convert to 0, ch initially 1. We start from this. Is this 1? No. Is this 1? No. So 0 for the left half. Then we move to the right. We start from this index, search looking for 1. Is this 1? Yes, the cost is 2. Now we flip this, it's become 0. Is this 0? No. So this is the final result for the right half. And so we have 2 and we have 2 and the final answer will be 2.